Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Temu account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Temu app on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now once you are logged in, you will be taken into your home page. If you wish to change your password, tap on the U icon at the bottom, which will take you into your account page. From this page, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner and then tap on account security. This will then take you into your account security page, from which you will be able to add a password if you don't have one already. And if you already have a password set, you will find the edit button instead of add. Simply tap on this button and you will be allowed to change your password. Type in your current password first and then tap on the submit button and you will be allowed to create your new password. After typing in your password, tap on the submit button and now your password will be changed successfully. If you want to change your password at any time in the future, you can come back to the account page and from account security, you will be able to change your password right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the Temu app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.